Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about University of Manitoba Graduate Fellowship. It's a good scholarship program. Each year more than $2 million in university graduate fellowships are offered to full-time master's and PhD students to recognize both academic excellence. The fellowship are offered to students who have demonstrated superior intellectual ability and academic accomplishments. Student must be recommended by their department or unit to Faculty of Graduate Studies for a University of Manitoba Graduate Fellowship. So value of the scholarship for master students, they provide $14,000 every year, and for PhD they provide $18,000 every year. Master's scholarship duration is 12 to 24 months and PhD duration is maximum 48 months. Application deadlines, you can contact with the departments. Application procedure also you can contact with the departments. So here you can find the deadlines for each department and everything, like they have mentioned these departments. And this is the computer science department. You can visit their website and you can also contact with that person, David, to send an email and ask your queries. So this is the computer science department. And after that, value and duration, master's scholarship, as we have found that much duration of the scholarship. And doctoral scholarship is that much. Departments determine the value and duration of an award and must meet eligibility criteria as outlined in the eligibility table. Period of support available. Here are a number of months for UMGF funding a student can receive based on number of months they have completed in their program. Master student, number of months completed as a master student, number of months eligible to receive. So if you have completed 0 to 4 months up to 24 months of funding and 5 to 6 months number of months completed as a master student, then number of months eligible to receive is up to 12 months. Doctoral student, number of months completed as a doctoral student. So this is also, you can take a look. Applicants who are successful in current competition must take part their award in May, September or January. Students who are unable to accept their award within the academic year must decline the award. Student must minimum admission of 3.0 GPA to be considered for this award. Please contact your department as they might have a higher GPA requirements. To hold an award, have been admitted to graduate program to the University of Manitoba as a master's PhD student. Pre-master's occasional students are not eligible. Not have an active admission related hold on their student account during their professional admission period. So you can read more about the eligibility and application and procedure. Please consult your department or unit. Application procedure: once department unit determine the selection, student are recommended to Faculty of Graduate Studies. Faculty of Graduate Studies will notify the award recipients with an official letter view email. These are the research field. Unrestricted, so citizenship is unrestricted, anyone can apply for that scholarship. These are the eligibility criteria, you can take a look, value, currency, everything. Yeah, and here you can click here apply to apply for the scholarship. And if you will have any questions, related to application procedure, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are undergraduate student, then you can proceed here, graduate proceed here, extended education can proceed here. So if you will have any question related to application procedure, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply to your comments, your queries. And if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly subscribe to this channel. We almost daily share the videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye bye.